Ever wonder what happens to your waste once it leaves your hands? Where does it go? How is it sorted? And what impact does it have on our planet? Whether it's your garbage, recycling, or composting, each bin holds a story, a journey from disposal to transformation. Join us as we dive deep into the world of solid waste management. From the moment you toss something away to its ultimate destination, we'll uncover the hidden truths and shed light on the importance of responsible waste disposal. Let's visit Pacific Coast Renewables, a composting facility in Abbotsford, to see how your food and yard waste is turned into compost. Here, organic waste goes through a meticulous process to become nutrient-rich compost. How long does it take? What's the end product used for? And where does all this compost come from? When organic waste, collected from residential green bins, is dropped off, it begins its composting journey. The material is first shredded and then loaded into bunkers. From here, the material is covered with specialty blankets, and naturally occurring microbes begin their work breaking down the organic waste. During this process, the microbes generate a lot of heat, which works to naturally kill pathogens. After 6 weeks, the material is removed from the bunker and is run through a screen to filter out as many contaminants as possible, such as plastics. After being cured for an additional 2 weeks, the final product is a nutrient-rich compost that is used on farms throughout the Fraser Valley to grow our food, and continuing the food cycle once again. Now, let's debunk some myths about compostable bags. Contrary to popular belief, many of these bags don't fully decompose and can end up as waste. It's important to use plastic-free compostable paper bags, ones that truly break down, to avoid contaminating the compost. Speaking of contamination, items like these can disrupt the composting process. It's crucial to keep non-compostable materials out of the green bin. How about reducing food waste? Seeds are planted, plants grow, food is harvested, shipped, packaged, eaten, and unfortunately, wasted. Food takes a massive amount of resources to produce. When we don't eat our food, we waste those resources. Before composting your food scraps, consider if they're still good. There are plenty of ways to use wilted vegetables, soup, smoothies, or maybe your neighbor's chickens would appreciate them. Meal planning and freezing leftovers can also help prevent waste. On a larger community scale, there are food programs and initiatives like Food Mesh or food donations from local farms, restaurants, or produce retailers. In the FVRD, we have the Source Separation Bylaw, which requires residents to separate out their recycling and their compost from the garbage to make sure it gets sent to a proper facility rather than a landfill. This applies to everyone in the regional district: residents, grocery stores, restaurants, schools, hospitals, and more. Reducing waste and ensuring proper disposal at the correct facilities are essential steps in fostering sustainability. This process is a perfect example of the circular economy in action, where waste is transformed into a valuable resource. By closing the loop, we create a more sustainable system that benefits both the environment and the economy.